Hey, what's up, Sami here. Today we are going to take a quick look at the Redmi Note 11T Pro and Pro Plus. It's just going to be a very simple unboxing and a first look. An in-depth hands-on video will be very soon. Please subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss it. Let's get onto the phone. Open the box, it's just the same as other Xiaomi phones. We got the pen, some paperwork, and a transparent phone case. And the 11T Pro Plus offers a 3.5mm headphone jack, so it doesn't come with that audio jack adapter. Here's the silver color and overall design. This is the black color. They all adopted this matte finish so it feels soothing. And here's the blue color. It reflects a colorful tone as you turn it at different angles. By the way, they all have this plastic middle frame if you are interested to know. Regarding specs, both the Redmi Note 11T Pro and Pro Plus runs Android-based MIUI 13 and features a 6.6-inch LCD display with a 144Hz 7-level refresh rate and a 270Hz touch sampling rate. This panel has passed DisplayMate A+ certification. Under the hood, it sports the MediaTek Dimensity 8100 SoC and a VC cooling system. The only difference between the two is for the Pro Plus, the battery capacity is 4400 mAh and comes with 120 watts fast charger, while for the Pro version, it comes with a bigger 5080 mAh battery, but with only 67 watts fast charger. For the rear camera, two phones have the same 64MP Samsung GW1 sensor alongside an 8MP ultra-wide camera and a 2MP micro cam. Here are some photo samples took by the 11T Pro Plus. They're good for its price, I would say. What do you think of these photos? Let me know down in the comment section. For the price and availability, I've just put in the description. At the launch event, Xiaomi also released the Redmi Bus 4 and Bus 4 Pro. Xiaomi said for the 4 Pro, it offered an audio experience that only exists on those expensive high-end earbuds. I'm not sure if they're bragging or something, but judging from the specs, the 4 Pro earbuds look promising, like up to 43 dB noise cancellation, 59 milliseconds ultra-low latency, 33 hours of battery life, and Bluetooth 5.3. Whether they are good or not, I will test heavily later today and share my user experience with you. So please subscribe if you haven't. Like I said, this is a very simple unboxing and the first look. Stay tuned for my follow-up videos of all the products released today. Thanks for watching. I'm Sami and I will see you in the next one.